and this will give me a little bit of a little... Ooh. You can see that's really loud. Do you want to do the horn? The horn's going to be really loud. So this, you see this button right here with the horn? I want you to tap it. A little more.
We're like, what?
Oh, was I doing it? No, I guess I have to have it on. Let's do that. How was that?
There you go, man.
He's so excited.
Oh, this is for you guys.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, yes.
Thank you. I didn't tell them to do that.
Yeah. I'm excited. No, they love fire trucks and everything.
Yeah, man. Like, whatever you guys want to check out.
Yeah.
The lights and stuff for them.
Cool.
Climb around. Absolutely.
Yeah, you want to look at the fire truck? Okay, go.
Yeah.
You come.
Yeah, I'll come with you. Let's go. Yeah, hold your hands. Okay, yeah.
Before you get on.
Can I have a badge?
Okay. You're a firefighter.
There you go.
Ooh, look at all the equipment.
Something neat.
Ooh, what is that?
We need to turn on. So it's our camera for detecting heat.
Oh, okay.
So you see that? You can see how people show up white on it. Right? It's pretty cool. You want to see what your dad looks like? Check it out.
Ooh, you're 97 degrees.
Oh, perfect.
Yep. Okay.
I know, I'm okay.
Are these actually fireproof?
Well, the jackets and stuff, so fire resistant. So they're resistant up.
I got my lights up here, all these lights. And then when we're ready, we can turn this. And this will give me a little bit of a little... Ooh. You can see that's really loud. Do you want to do the horn? The horn's going to be really loud. So this, you see this button right here with the horn? I want you to tap it. Let's do that. Let's do that. How was that? Hey.
Hey gosh. Can you hear each other?
Is it heavy? Whoa,
Is it too heavy?
it's pretty heavy. Look at that. Ooh. Can they put it on?
Oh, yeah. Look, here, you want to try it?
How much does your whole
Oh, man, this is still definitely...
Altogether,
Want to try it on?
like 65 extra pounds.
Oh wow, that's
Dang,
heavy.
that's crazy. It's crazy.
Because you gotta take account for your pack as well.
Oh, the air thing.
Gear.
Oh yeah. Wow. This must be so hot though. This must be so hot though. And you're going in a hot
Incredibly
place.
hot, yeah.
Yeah.
This has a cinch around the arms. So when you pull this, it'll wrap around your entire chest area. It will pull you out.
Alright. So how fast do you have to get in here? Do you guys time each other?
Yes, we have something called 60-second drills, and this is beat into you in the fire academy. So no matter where you are in the fire station, if someone yells 60 seconds, you have to be able to get to your gear and get in your gear within 60 seconds. If you don't, then everybody does push-ups. There's motivation there. Yeah. If you mess up, then everyone's gonna pay for it.
Okay. Well, let's time me. I'll just test it out and then I'll
That was
time
like 2
myself.
minutes there.
Hey, I'm not. I'm just getting comfortable with the equipment here. 65. What is this? Like 30?
No.
20? Yeah. 20 pounds.
Doing jumping jacks.
You think I can do burpees in this?
Yeah, you can. It's very flexible gear. gear. That new gear is pretty awesome.
I can't know.
One.
That's one. Yeah. 102.
50. Alright, let's time. Time me.
There you go.
Oh, it's so hot.
So the trick
Good
to
job,
that,
Amanda.
so the trick to that is just to kind of like shuffle them down and cast bootlegs. With my other pants, they were on a lot tighter,
Go down to the.
and I would always hyperextend my thumbs, try to get them off. I'd be like,
Really?
There you go.
Oh, all the way down.
everything, all my controls to pump the truck are right here. So when we get a fire, I'm designated with the truck. I don't ever leave the truck. I stay with it.
Stay here.
And any problems that come up with the truck, I have to be able to solve it outside. So if I can't send my guys in there and then something happened where they don't have water, I have to be able to figure out what's wrong, get them water or get them out. So it's pretty, it's a lot.
Yeah.
It's a lot to handle.
Oh, man. Yours, Enzo.
Oh, you're adorable.
Enzo, you want to try? Yeah?
Yeah, Enzo. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Whoa, that thing is
Oh, it's heavy, huh? Yeah. Okay. Give mama a shotgun.
Okay, look. Show your mommy. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
How you doing? Sure. Nice to meet you. Thanks.
You guys want to see that? So if you get sick or if you get hurt, then Uncle's gonna have to put you on here and take care of you. Bababoo, what does that mean? Yes?
He's been like watching the Bababoo.
Bababoo! Bababoo! Look, you want to sit down? Put that on your finger, on your thumb. Give Uncle your thumb. There you go.
What?
Look, Zion. Look.
You're normal.
Your heart rate's 90. Pretty good for running around. Wait, give me, I'll get your thumb. Your thumb's a little bit bigger. Yeah, watch it.
Oh, 98.
That says you're good. You're okay. You're ba-ba-boom. Come on, show you straight. Look at the shirt. Oh, you saw it. Look.
No, it's fine.
Look, go straight. Wait,
So you just like, this is like the whole setup?
Yep.
It's good that you guys have AC.
I know.
Yeah,
Seriously.
state requirement.
You have the AC on? How does that work?
The medicine or something.
Well, so we have medication that you have to keep cool. So you have a refrigerator, you have your narcotics in there that's locked. Everything is kind of just organized to like specific. So this is like your airway stuff, the extra airway, and like advanced medicine here, trauma stuff here. You got trauma stuff there, trauma stuff here. You got trauma stuff there, trauma stuff here. You got trauma stuff there.
So you always gotta keep it cool, right?
This is my lieutenant. This is Eric.
Nice.
Eric, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Amanda, nice to meet you. This is Enzo and Zion. This is Lieutenant Geisen.
Thanks for having us.
Yeah.
My pleasure. Y'all come by anytime you want. Love having people visit.
Alright. This is cool. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Alright. Thank you, Buda Fire Department. We just got done. The kids are playing. Took them to the park. But we just want to say thank you very much.
Showing us around.
Showing us around,
Everything.
and
the kids had a lot of fun.
We learned a lot too.
Oh yeah.
As parents. Kids are super excited,
Yeah.
super happy. Zion's face is like,
surprise
So-
emoji the whole time.
So yeah, thank you.
Thank you.